Hi, I'm Arri, and I'm a senior here at the Sotomayor Arts and Sciences Magnet.
And I'm Erika, junior here at Sotomayor.
At Sotomayor, students have the opportunity to explore programs in robotics, arts and media, agriculture, and other hands-on pathways that connect learning to real-world experiences.
This school gives students opportunities both inside and outside the classroom.
And
we are both part of the Farm-to-Table Capstone Program. Where students learn about sustainability, food culture, and healthy recipes while working together as a team.
And we even use the vegetables grown by students on campus.
Right here at our school. I became interested in the program because I had already been part of the farm elective since 8th grade. The program also changed the way I think about healthy food. It showed me that healthy meals can still be flavorful and exciting.
Many of the recipes come directly from the students themselves that often come from different cultures and indigenous roots. One experience that really stood out to me was when our class made Vietnamese pho soup. Every group focused on a different part until we all came together to prepare the final product. Programs like Farm to Table are important because they teach students real-life skills that they can use every day.
It's more than just cooking. This program creates a real sense of community where students support each other, learn from mistakes, and gain skills that go far beyond high school. It's about creativity, teamwork, responsibility, and learning skills that prepare us for the future.
See you in school!